This is how you can make a payment in Google Workspace. First is you're going to log into your admin.google.com with your administrator account, and then from there you're going to click on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen, and then from there you're going to click on billing and then select your subscriptions and then click on payment settings. Now from the payment settings you will see your billing cycle and payment method. So for this one, you're just gonna have to set the date that you're going to pay and how much price you're going to pay for it, and then you're just going to have to set all of these, and then you make sure that it aligns with the date that you want to actually pay, which is earlier. And then you're going to have to choose your saved credit card or bank account, then confirm your payment. You can also update your billing method or switch between monthly or annual billing. Now you're going to have to check your billing cycle. That can help you track when charges will occur and avoid service interruptions. Now once everything has been reviewed, all you have to do is to now just check out. And that's it. That is how you make payment in Google Workspace. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.